You probably requested multiple pins, but you haven't received any after a few months. Here's why. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. For today's video, you will learn a few things about Google AdSense. Let's get right into the video. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a free, meaning that you do not need to pay to create your Google AdSense account. Simple way to earn money by displaying ads on your content. Now that you know it is free to create a Google AdSense account, you can go ahead and do so. If you don't know how to do it, I will include a tutorial in this video. But before I do that, let me explain a little more about Google AdSense. One of the things you may want to know is if you can monetize multiple websites on your single Google AdSense account. Yes, you can. AdSense allows you to monetize multiple websites on the same account. So if it is that you have 2 YouTube channels or 2 websites, you can go ahead and register them on the same account. Once you reach $10 on your AdSense account, then a pin will be sent to your address. You probably requested multiple pins, but you haven't received any after a few months. Here's why. So I have recently been monetized on my YouTube channel. However, have been waiting for the pin for over 5 months. I didn't get it because each time I went to the post office, I would ask for the name that I usually collect my mails in, but there was always no mail. So one day I decided to call and ask for the official DW World, and that's my YouTube channel, and I mentioned that it's from Google AdSense, and that is how I got my pin. So a tip for you, make sure you mention that it's from Google AdSense and mention your full name and your website name. It is pretty simple to make an AdSense account. All you have to do is search AdSense sign up on Google. Once you've hit the search button, click on Google AdSense. After doing that, it will bring you to this page. You can explore on this page all you want. You will be able to get a lot of information. Once you are finished exploring the page, you will see Sign In or Get Started. Click on Get Started and it will bring you to this page. So all you need is your website, your email address, and they give you option if you want them to send you information by your email. The next thing you need to do is sign into YouTube or your website so you can copy the link. Once you have copied the link, paste it right here. Then add your email address. Choose Yes, Send Me Customized Help, then save and continue. If the requirements for your channel or your website is completed, then it will bring you to the AdSense page. This is where you get to edit your personal information, so you will be able to get your PIN and your payment. Feel free to take your time and explore and learn new things. I have left out a lot of information. If it is that you have some information that you want to share, please don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section. It will help out a lot of people. Thank you guys so much for always tuning in. As always, I hope you have learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. See you in the next video. Until next time, bye!